Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the Bay Area's coolest science destinations, the Chabot Space and Science Center right here in Oakland, California. If you're into space, science, or want hands-on learning, you're going to love this place. All right, let's go. At the planetarium, you can sit back, relax, and take a journey across the stars. One of the coolest parts of Chabot is the interactive science exhibits. You can explore the planets, learn about space technology, and even see how astronauts live in space. This is so fun. Chabot has been around since 1883. Originally as an observatory in downtown Oakland before moving to the Oakland Hills in 2000. Now on to the exciting part, the observatory. Chabot is home to some massive telescopes, including Leia, Rachel, and Nellie. On clear nights, you can even join public viewings and see planets, star clusters, and galaxies with your own eyes. That's our adventure at the Chabot Space and Science Center. Whether you're a local or visiting the Bay Area for the first time, this place is 1000% intergalactic, worth adding to your list of places to go. So, if you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button, subscribe for more Bay Area adventures, and I'll see you in the next video.